Hi, this is the hospital API. This API hosted in Heroku app. After clicking this URL, wait some time. This is a hosted link. This API handle using a postman. This is a postman. This is the first route. First, I will register a doctor. This is a doctor registration. Required the name, password, and email. These three fields. I will register doctor 4. Password is 4, and doctor's name is Manisha. Then send. This is a doctor's registration is successfully. Then second route, log in the doctor. Then name of doctor is Manisha. Password 4. Then post. This is a generate doctor's token. This token is copied. This is used to further use. Copy. Then third route is register the patient. First registration of patient required the bearer token in authorization. Created token are pasted here. After that, register the patient 5, then phone number, and register this patient. This is the patient successfully registered. Then fourth route is create a report of patient. First, copy the patient ID. This is the patient and patient ID. Copy here and paste here. And this is the status of patient and doctor ID. I will copy the doctor ID. Copy, then paste here and send. Report successfully created. Okay, then fifth route is get report using a patient ID. Okay, okay, then copy the patient ID again. This is this patient and copy this ID and paste it here. After created report of patient, then send. This is a GET request, so only access the report of patient, all reports of patient. Okay, this is the report of patient 5. Then this is a status of report. Then all patient report are displayed here in status 1. Okay, then send it here. This is displayed. This is one patient and this is another patient. This is patient 2. This is and patient 5 report, and this is all patient report are displayed here in status 1. Okay, this is patient 5. That's it. Go to the code. This is a code of hospital API. This is index.js. This is a main or starting file. Okay, before hosting our API in Heroku, proc file, most important to define a proc file for start index.js. Then this is the index.js file, and inside this file mongoose are required for store our data in database. Then body parsers are required. Then in config folder, we load the DB location from JSON files, require the passport and JWT strategy for authentication, then use the JWT token for registered patient. Then this is use for created server, and port our server are running in port 8000. Inside the config file mongoose.js, in this file define a path of our database. This database is remote database MongoDB. I will also use local database. This is a link. and after the connected database, display the connect to database message. Okay, after running, this message are shown is here. Then passport JWT strategy. This strategy used to extract token from header and authentication using JWT. Then this is the this is the status.js. These 4 status are used in my code. First 0 for negative, 1 for traveled, quarantine, etc. Then this is the controllers. Inside the controllers API and inside the API v1 can version 1 are created. Then this version 1 doctor's controller. This doctor's controller handle the register the doctor and log in the doctor. Patient controller handle the first register the patient using the name, phone number and password. Then create the report of patient using the status and doctor's ID also. Then fetch all reports of patient. That's it. This is a report controller. This report controller fetch all reports by using the status. Okay. Then most important part is routes. Inside the route created API and inside the API created a v1 यानी कि version 1. These routes folder are index.js file, separated index.js file each folder. Then this is a doctors.js. This route handle the register doctor and login doctor. Patient.js route handle the register doctor, create report of doctor using ID, then all reports of patient using ID. And this is a report.js. This route handle the statuses. That's it. Then thank you.